everyone, Gil here for GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about bicycle repair kits. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, now's the great time to do it. Just go ahead and click that little red button right down here that says subscribe on it, and then click the notification bell to receive all notifications of any video I post. All right? Bicycle repair kits. But I don't have a bicycle. That may be true. Is there any reason you might wind up with a bicycle, either on purpose or by accident, if, say, everything goes and the only way you have is to buy a bicycle off of somebody to make that 35-mile trip home? So a little bicycle kit in your get home bag could be very helpful. If you have bicycles and you're planning on using them to bug out, to get out of town, to get to a safe location, whatever, do you have spare kits for every single bike? A kit should have the inner tubes that are on that bike in it, as well as patches. Sometimes you can patch it. Sometimes the damage is so bad, you have to throw the inner tube away. If you run over a piece of glass and it cuts through the tire and cuts a gash in the inner tube, patches may not work. So you may need to have a spare tube. So whatever it is, if for your bicycles, you have the big adult trikes. If you have the kid carrier that attaches behind the bike, has bicycle wheels on it too, make sure you have everything you need for all your wheels and bicycle needs. All right? And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, both in food and in supplies. And this is why. Watch this.